Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play the famous game PUBG on your personal computer. There are many ways to play PUBG on PC, but I am showing you the best one. For that, first you have to download the installation file from the download link. The download link is provided in the description of this video. After successfully downloading the installation file, run the installer. Now select your desired language. Press next. Select I accept the agreement and select next and install. You have to wait for a little bit. Now click the finish button. Now run the PUBG game from the desktop icon. For the first time, you have to log in your PUBG ID, or you have to create a new account if you don't have any existing account. First, I am showing you how you can create a new account. For that, you have to click on I don't have any account. After clicking, a new web page will appear. Here you will have to provide your email address, your password, your date of birth, and you have to confirm some term and condition, and you have to click on continue. Now get back to on your login page and provide your email address and password and click on login. The game is starting. It might take some time. For the first time, to play the game, you have to install all the game file. That size is about 4 GB. It will take time depending on the internet speed of your connection. So please wait until the 4 GB of file is downloaded. After waiting for a few hours, finally the full file has downloaded successfully. Now it's time to play the game. Just press on the start button. So finally the game is starting. The graphics quality of your game will depend on the configuration of your computer. Now enjoy the game. If you find any problem, please leave a comment and don't forget to like this video and please subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much for watching.